Put featured photos on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on your profile picture, and here you can see the three dots right beside the add to a story. You have to click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the edit profile. When you click on the edit profile, you have to scroll down, and here you can see the featured. Here you can see the feature tab in the uh, below the hobbies tab. You have to click on the try it. When you click on the try it, you have to here all these you can choose any of the photo that you want for your feature tab. Like I choose this photo and this photo, so you can choose any of the photo that you want to add to featured photos on your Facebook, and then click next. When you click next, you have to click on the save, and when you click on the save, here you can see that you are saving the featured collection. And then here you can see the all the featured this your featured photos. So that's it. Here you can see the your featured collection. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.